Hi there, I'm Pablo Senjo. I'm a photographer and a teacher in Abertura School of Photography for 19 years. I've taught hundreds of students how to get the best out of their raw files through Camera Raw. What I most like about my job is that I get to take photos and I get to capture the visions that I've had before in my photos. I want to teach my students how to do that, from the shot to the final result. This is a course on basic development with raw file. You're going to learn how to correctly expose your raw file to get the best out of the shadows and lights. You're going to learn how to change your photos from color to black and white. We're going to learn how to reduce the noise in photos with high ISO. And what we're basically going to try and do is get the photos the way you like them in a professional way. What do you need? You need a digital camera that can take raw photos. You need a computer with Photoshop or Bridge installed. Inside Photoshop there's a module that's Camera Raw. It's a very easy program to use, and you're going to get the most out of your photographs. This course is directed to anybody who has any basic photography knowledge and wants to make their photos better. It's a very simple course. I'm going to tell you step by step how to get photos that look amazing. This course is directed to anybody who is interested in photography like you. So let's go.